guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to make DIY foundation with only 3 ingredients. So let's get started the video. So first I am taking a bowl and a spoon. So you have to put in the bowl 1 teaspoon water. So I poured 1 teaspoon water into it. You can look that I put water into it. So now you have to add some lotion. You can add moisturizing also. I am adding some to moisturizing lotion, light moisturizing. So here we pour the lotion. And then pour on powder. I am using Johnson's no, Himalaya baby powder. So let's put. And now you have to add some of the coffee powder. Only some, not add too much. Oh no, what is this? So I added some coffee powder and now we have to mix it well. So here we can look, we have mixed the foundation mixture and then now you have to take, now I am trying it and looking that it's work or not. So you can look that it worked very well. So you can look my skin color and the foundation color. So thanks for watching guys and hope you enjoy this video. क्योंकि मैंने इस वीडियो के लिए पाउडर भी ऑर्डर किया था, वो भी स्पेशली फ्लिपकार्ट से, वो भी 8 बॉक्सेस. तो इसका 20 रुपये मैंने इसको ऑर्डर किया था. बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे ये वीडियो बना के भी. सो लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल और कमेंट पर बताइएगा कि अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया कि नहीं. और एक बात, आपको और कितना सारा चाहिए थिंग्स वो आप कमेंट पे लिख सकते हैं. प्लीज़ माई व्यूवर्स who will watch this video, please like this video और कमेंट में भी बता दीजिएगा, ठीक है. सो बाय बाय.